All right, let's talk 7.1 in Nitro. First up, we've got this conceptual questions. Primary difference between arrays and array lists. Arrays have fixed size and are simpler. Array lists have dynamic sizing and several associated methods. And we could also say that arrays use the square brackets for access, whereas array lists have methods for access and changing things. You might use an array instead of an array list if you know how many objects you have beforehand. You don't need to change that number. It's probably one of the best places for arrays. If you need to add and remove objects from your list dynamically. And they are similar because they are both lists of objects and can take any object type. One other difference, by the way, that I'm going to add to point 1 is that arrays can use primitives or objects, aka reference types. Array lists can only use objects, so we have to use, for instance, the integer or double with the capital letters if we're going to be dealing with array lists. All right, that's pretty good. So here we go. We're trying to make two array lists, company name and a contract value. So let's get to it. When you're creating an array list, you first would use the array list constructor. This is where we're going to use the angle brackets. And so we're making a list of strings, because these are the company names. And then we put the name of it, company name. We use the new constructor, make an array list of strings again. And then we have to have the empty parentheses because we're calling a constructor here. And then we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to have instead an array list of contract values. So array list of integers. And again, this has to be the data or the reference type integer with capital I, called contract value. Use the new, and then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing there. And there we go. That is basically all we got to do. Make sure it runs. It's not going to show anything because we're not doing anything with them. Passes our checks. Moving on. Car inventory. So we're trying to store some classic cars in an array list called garage. You can see classic cars defined over here. So this is just making an array list of a custom object type. So we're going to make an array list, use the square brackets. We're using the classic car class, and we're going to call this garage. And again, we use the new constructor, making a new array list. And we're making an array list of classic cars. Run it. And again, we're not going to see anything there because this is just literally initializing an empty array list. We'll do stuff with that in 7.2. And we pass the tests. All right. And that, as they say, is that.